Hello, Mr. Aldo. Very good. Good afternoon. How are you today? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you hungry? I am happy today. If you are happy, to repeat with me. I am happy today. Once again. I am happy today. Very good. Now let's sing the Hello song.
Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you today?
I am fine. I am great. I am fine. I'm just great. I am fine. I am great. I'm very well today.
Great!
Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you today?
I am hungry, I am tired, I am hungry and I am tired. I am hungry, I am tired, I'm not so good today.
Oh, well, I hope you feel better soon.
Hello,
Hello.
how are you?
Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
hello,
Hello.
how are you? I'm very well today.
Okay, what's the day today? Let's see. Today is Thursday, 17th of September 2020. Can you repeat? So let's go. Today is Thursday, the 17th of September 2020. Very good.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Days of the week, days of the week. 7 days are in a week. I can sing the 7 days now. I can sing by myself. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Go, go, go! Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Days of the week, days of the week. 7 days are in a week. I can sing the 7 days. Now I can sing 7 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The 7 days, hooray!
How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? How's the weather today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it sunny today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it rainy today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it cloudy today? Let's look outside. Is it snowy today? How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? How's the weather today?
Is it windy today? No. Is it cloudy today? No. Is it rainy today? No. Is it sunny today? Yes, it's sunny today. And if it's sunny, we sing the Mr. Sun song.
Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind that tree. These little children are asking you, please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind that tree. These little children are asking you, please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me. Do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, thanks for shining down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, everything is fine now. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, thanks for shining down now. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, everything is fine now. Oh, Mr. Sun.
Okay, guys, today, continuing is our study about the farm animals. We'll learn, we'll see, we'll watch the story of the little red hen. Do you know the story of the little red hen? So pay attention.
Once upon a time, the animals in a farm were left with no food. The little red hen decided to wander around the field to look for something to eat. She first went next to the cow.
Will you come with me around the field to find something to eat?
No, I won't. It's too hot. I can't be bothered to walk. She then went next to the pig.
Will you help me find food?
No, I can't come. It's too hot and I can't be bothered to move.
Later then went next to the dog.
Will you help me find food?
No, I can't. It's too hot and I can't walk when it's hot.
And in the end, went next to the duck.
Will you come with me to find something to eat?
No, I can't. It's too hot. I can't get out of the water.
When nobody bothered to come with her, the hen decided to leave the farm on her own. As she walked, she found some wheat grains on the ground. She was very happy. She returned to the farm. She decided to plant the wheat grains. She thought that her friends would help her.
Cow, look, I found wheat grains. Would you like to plant them with me?
No, I already told you it's too hot. The hen went over to the pig.
Pig, look, I found wheat grains. Would you like to plant them with me?
No, I can't. The weather is way too hot for this.
She then went next to the dog.
Dog, look, I found wheat grains. Would you like to plant them with me?
No, it's way too hot.
And And at last she went next to the duck.
Hey, duck, I found some wheat grains. Would you like to plant them with me?
No, I can't. I can't leave the water in this heat.
Well, I'll plant them myself.
When she saw that no one wanted to help her, she decided to plant them herself. Weeks had gone by. The rainy days had begun. The seeds had sprouted, but all the wild grass in the garden needed some cleaning.
Who's going to help me clean the grass?
It's too muddy now. I can't help you.
I'm not up to it. I won't leave my spot. I'll get dirty. Can't do it. Don't feel good today. I can't help.
In that case, I'll do it on my own.
The little red hen began to clean the wild grass amongst the sprouts. Not long after, the wheat began to grow. It was now time to harvest the ripe wheat. The hen went next to her friends and asked if they would help her harvest the crop.
Hey, cow, buddy! Wheat has grown. Will you help me harvest the crop?
No, I can't.
Hey, pig, guess what? The wheat has grown. Will you help me harvest the crop?
No, I can't. I won't.
Hey, my body dog, the wheat has grown. Will you come and help me harvest the crop?
Who, me? Of course not.
Hey, ducky, the wheat has grown. Will you help me harvest the crop?
Of course I can't.
Okay, I'll do it on my own.
The little red hen worked till night time. She harvested the wheat kernels one by one, all by herself. It was now time to turn the wheat to flour. Off she went to ask for help from her friends.
Hey, guys! We must grind the wheat to make flour. Who would like to help me?
I can't help. It's time for me to give milk. I can't move from my spot.
I can't help either. It's nap time for me.
I can't help at all.
Can't help. Need to get into the water and cool down.
The hen ground the wheat in the mill and turned it into flour.
Now let's make some delicious bread.
The hen went next to her friends and wanted to give them one last chance.
Cow, I'm going to make bread. Would you like to help me?
Nope, I can't. I'm in no situation to work.
What about you, pig?
Not today. I'm too tired to help today.
No, I can't.
No, I can't. And besides, I don't know how to make bread.
This time the hen was very angry. All by herself, she went to the kitchen. First, she made bread with the flour she had grounded. Then she gave it a form. And at last, put it in the oven and waited for it to bake. After the amazing smell of the bread had spread, she took it out of the oven, went out to the garden and sat on the table. Later, called out to her friends.
Hey guys, the bread is ready. Who would like to eat it with me?
Seeing the amazing bread in front of the hen, in a flash they all went next to her. I want some.
Oh, me too. Right when I'm so hungry. Great timing, hen.
Hey, me too, hen.
I love bread. Come on, let's eat.
No, I can't. I did everything on my own. Only I deserve to eat it all on my own.
With great appetite, the hen began to eat her bread, but couldn't handle the fact that her friends were so hungry.
From now on, if you promise to help, I will share my bread with you.
All the farmyard animals were ashamed and sorry. They knew she was right.
We promise you, hen, from now on, no more laziness.
The hen knew her friends learnt a good lesson, so she shared her bread with them. With an amazing appetite, they were now so happy with a full tummy.
the next class, we're going to talk more about the story, okay? Now, it's time to say goodbye. But first, let's sing the goodbye song.
Oh yeah, kids, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye!
Okay guys, I'll see you on the next video. Stay home, wash your hands, wear your mask, and stay safe. Goodbye.